Toyota is huge in San Antonio. I absolutely believe that Texas is synonymous with having a truck. Everything's bigger in Texas, right? So to be called to come to Toyota, it was like winning the lottery.
It was the goal to end up here at Toyota. I started looking at news articles, how they supported the community, what they did in the community, and that's what I look for. That's what a company that I think will take care of its employees.
Oh, I take tremendous pride in my work. Toyota is a really big employer. They do a lot for the community, programs in conservation, also in education.
Of course, in America, we're starving for skilled positions. So my son, he's always wanted to work on robots. And so now he's a part of this program, this ATMA program. It is the coolest thing because in 3 years, my son at the age of 20 could be a maintenance team member in Toyota working on robots.
It feels good inside that like I had trained this person from the ground up. And he's actually starting his career very young. And I wish I was in his position.
To take the time to train employees, to hire within the local community, that's commitment. That means that they're going to stick around. They're going to be stable. They're going to help us. They're going to be here for us.
They took a chance on a girl that only had a high school diploma, 3 kids, 25 years old, and they just given me every resource I need to be strong, to be a leader, and it literally has changed the life of myself and my family. We're going to always be faced with challenges, and as long as we continue to keep the respect for people and continuous improvement, we'll move on and we'll get over every challenge that we've been through and going to go through. So for Toyota, I believe the future is endless. It's filled with success.